What's going on, guys? Dan Kale here from Liquidation Pros, and in this video I am going to unbox this giant pallet, Gaylord pallet here of Amazon. It's basically new Amazon Overstock items. So if you didn't watch the first video, I did one unboxing already. There's a few items left that I need to bring in, but I wanted to jump onto the second box. I'm just too excited to see what's in here. There's a couple choice items that I'm looking for that are going to pay for most of this lot, and then there'll be a third one that follows the second one. So let's dive in. I'm going to cut this bad boy open, sit you guys down, and get an idea of what's in here. Here's looking down the top. They got it covered up right now, so I need to cut this box open and open it up. So let's get to it. Set you guys up right there. That looks pretty good. Make sure I don't cut the any of the product that's in here. A bunch of shipping boxes. I can actually, these are a decent sized box. I can use these, the larger size Amazon cardboard box. I'll recycle those for sure. All right, here we go. So this is the main product I was looking for. These are supposed to be brand new Omron blood pressure measuring devices, and they're still in the retail bag. And as you can see, brand new, sealed. They're protected. There's no scratches on them. These are going for around $40 a piece. There's supposed to be over 50 of these in here. So this one item was over $2,000. And as you know, or if you watched the first video, you know that I paid just over $4,000 for this lot. And combined, it's supposed to be just over $20,000 worth of MSRP Amazon retail value. My goal when I buy lots like this is to double my money. So if I put $4,000 out, I would have profited $4,000 after all the fees and everything. And something like this will take a couple weeks worth of work to go through, depending on, you know, how many hours you have available. So part-time, this would take, you know, I'd say a month for me to process. I do have some helpers, but anyhow, you can see that this pretty much entire thing is full of these. So I'm gonna start boxing these up, and we'll see what else is in there. Alright guys, so I didn't count them, but like I said, it's supposed to be about 50 of those blood pressure monitors that I pulled out. I boxed them up. They're ready to go in. Let me show you now that we got some more room. What else we have in here? What else we have in here? Comforter, brand new Franklin table tennis to go games. This is a case, brand new case of Keurig. I'm assuming these are the K-Cups, French vanilla, Green Mountain coffee. There's a ton of these little Tommy Tippy. Here's the code here if you want to look it up. I think these are around like 10 bucks, but what I'll end up doing is I'll do like a 3-pack of these. I'll lot them up. There's a Trouble game. I'm gonna pull that trouble game out and I'm gonna throw all these little guys, all the small stuff in this box right here since it's there. And let me put you guys up here. I'll hang you up on the box and you should get a pretty good view of what I'm doing here. So this is kind of like the box cam. All right, so Keurig. Pull that out, and then like I said, I have this little box here. I'm just going to fill it up with a lot of this small stuff. It's like a little fishnet. If you see me grabbing these are all the same. There's like 70 of these Tommy Tippy bottle things, so hopefully they're a pretty good seller. There's a lot of miscellaneous baby stuff. Cocoa butter, sometimes that can be worth pretty good money. Utopia bedding. I've got a bunch of that in the last box. If you didn't watch that last video, make sure you go check that out. Power Rangers, and here's another one of those. So, and actually there may be a couple more down in there, but Dragon Zord, Power Rangers Legacy, pretty cool. This is a E-Tech City digital scale. We'll move my little smallest box out of the way. Chrono Bomb Game. Now check this out. Brand new recordable CDRs. So packs of 100. Bring a couple boxes over to fill up. And what I do is I just have a couple boxes and bins down the ground that I fill up, because all this stuff has to be carried down to the house to be processed. This is a Havoc cooling pad. It's a cooling pad for your laptop. I've got a couple of those already. Here's a TV mount. Stuff like this that's really heavy, I won't put in the bins with the small stuff. I keep it separate so it doesn't smash it. Sorry guys, I know this is probably shaking a little bit, but it's windy out and you are sitting up on the box. And I'm wondering, let me switch you guys around real quick. All right, hopefully you guys can see a little bit better. It's not as vibrating as much. There's a nice desk lamp. These are filters, like coffee or tea filters. This is toilet liners for portable toilets. It's a wide variety of all kinds of stuff, but a gauge, a rhino gauge, put that in the small box. Humidifier, that can go with the big stuff. This can go with the big stuff. Here we go, what's this? Check this out. Sony boombox. So we got the Sony boombox. I have no idea what's in here. Oh, Pokemon. Check that out. And I'm just trying to get through some stuff. This looks like an iPad stand. This box is looking pretty good so far. Some pretty decent stuff. Oh, I love these dish detergent cleaners. They're really easy to use. Grab another. Had to grab another box. What else do we want to grab? Enfamil, infant formula. This stuff can sell well. These are pretty expensive. It's a whole case of Enfamil. All right, back in action. So we got this Brother TM450 toner cartridge. Some more table tennis. These are all table tennis. More table tennis here. this has actually been opened. Doesn't look like that's complete. Off-road 4x4 rock crawler. Oh, here's some more of the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. All right, here's what's left in this pallet. This is the pallet number 2. Still have a bunch of stuff to go through. We'll go through all these Amazon boxes inside on a different video, so make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you're notified when I post it. But there should be a lot of good. This is just like mixed small items that we still need to process. But I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff in the house and then get ready to film the third pallet. So we still have to go through this one here, which I'm getting ready to open now. So thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment below.